Hey everyone, if you want to get the code from Emergent AI, here's the step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, go to official site, the Emergent SH. And here this is where you can sign up or request early access to the platform. Here you can create also an account or log in. The Emergent is a no-code or low-code AI app builder, so most features are accessible directly via your browser. No heavy downloads are required for basic use. And once logged in, you can create an AI-powered app. The Emergent uses a prompt-based coding, so you can generate a full-stack application from simple prompts. And after generating your app, you look for export or download source options. Some plans lets you download a zip file of your project or push it directly to GitHub. Check your subscription tier for these features. And also, if you want to run your app for your machines, clone or extract the downloaded files, and follow any project specific instructions, install dependencies, and run and build scripts. Ensure that your system meets the requirement listed in the package. The Emergent operates mostly via browser and cloud, so full code export may be paid feature. And always check the license terms and know how you can use, modify, or commercialize a downloaded code. And that's it. With these steps, you can download and use code from Emergent AI safely and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.